Hi there. Today I'm going to go through the LeetCode problem 393, the UTF-8 validation. Okay, this question for me at the first is really difficult to understand what's the meaning of it, but I figured out, and I believe you guys can figure out as well. So let's go through the question first. So question said, the question said a character in UTF-8 can be from 1 to 4 bytes. No, this is very important. Only 4 bytes, 1 to 4 bytes. So this is a table for us to convert the things to UTF-8 sequence binary. So one question I want to mention is that they have two rules. One rule is that for 1 byte character, the first byte is a 0, and the second rule is that for n byte character, the first n bytes are all the ones, then the n plus 1 bytes is 0, followed by the n minus 1 bytes. So what does it mean for the second rule? Second rule is that take this rule as an example. For the first binary sequence we got is 110 da 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 da. Okay, so what's the 11 meaning? 11 meaning is that including the first binary search, this is 1. We need to have one more binary sequence followed by these things. It's a beginning with 10 binary sequence. Okay, this is for this row. And for this row, the first binary sequence, we have 1110. So this meaning we need to follow 2 more binary sequence, which is beginning with 10 as the most significant bit. And for the last one, we have a 1114110. So that means we need to follow 3 more binary sequence, which is beginning with 10 as the most significant bit, right? So there is one more thing that's very important, is that the UTF is only formed from 1 to 4 bytes. What's the meaning? The meaning is that, okay, can you guys take a look at my example 3. Example 3 have a data, this one, da 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 da, and I already transferred to the binary sequence things. But you can say over here we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones over there. This means we need 4 more binary sequence, which is beginning with 10 as most significant bits, right? So you can say already, oh yeah, we do have a 4 more binary sequence, which is meets our requirements, right? But the thing is that we only have it's only can UTF-8. It only can be 4 to the 1 to 4 bytes, but over there we have 5 bytes. So this is not not right. So we return false. Okay, and we go through the example 1 first. Sorry, I go through the example 3 first. Okay, let's go through the example 1. Example 1, we have 197, 197, 113, and 1, and our binary. I change it into binary as these things, and we can say the 2 bytes. 2 2 bytes norm for this UTF-8, right? This means we can follow the one more binary sequence, which is beginning with 1, 0. Okay, we got it. This one we got it. Yay! And here we got 1 because 1 is meets our the first rule, so it's still true. So we return true over here. And for these things, we still return true. Why? Because after this one is 2 bytes UTF-8. This one done. This one is 1 byte UTF-8, right? Done, check. And this one is another 2 bytes UTF-8, check. So this one is still true. And for the example 2, we say so we change it to the binary sequence. It's like this one. So for our first one, we know, oh, this is a 3 bytes things. So let's check. We have a 2 more bytes, 2 more binary sequence beginning with 1, 0 or not. Apparently, no, we don't have 2 more. We only have 1 is meet the requirements, and this one is not meet the requirements. It's not meet the rules. How should I describe it? Okay, so we easily return false. Okay, so my strategy for this question is that definitely traverse. I mean, not traverse, go through the data array, right? So I will use some mask things over there to mask with my every element in my data array to and get out of the bits. I mean the bits for this one. That means the bits is a 3, right? That means I need to traverse 2 more elements from this position and to check is it starting with the 1, 0 or not, right? If starting with 1, 0, I keep if they starting with 1, 0, I will update my index x. Oh, no, not index x. Oh, what am I talking about? I will update my index I to over there and keep traverse and keep checking the sub list. Should I say sub list, right? Sub list is validate UTF-8 form or not. Yeah, this is my way how to approach it. So let me show you the code things how to implement it. And here is my code. I code over here. I check the color case first, and I don't need this one. And I go through the array. I will check the array. If it's bigger than 255, 250, I will return false because the UTF-8 is only between, from 1 to 4 bytes, right? And over here, I will write it out my number of bytes because in this example, I will traverse the following bytes is starting with 1 0 or not, right? Over here, if I end this one, I do the things over there, including there, the things I will all to check how many, the number of bytes I need to go through from my I position. And if I mean this one, how many ones I got, and check 2. If over here you know this is 2 1, so the 2 1s, so we need to check these 2 binary sequence is starting with 1 0 or not. Yeah, this for loop is for the things I check over here. And one more thing is that if they bigger than my data length, I will return the false. And this part is very important. I need to update the index I because apparently over here we only check these 2 things inside the I, right? So we don't need to check the things one more time. So we need to jump our I to there. And because we are in a for loop, every time we will do I++, so I update my index I over here to plus my number of bytes, but at the same time we're -1, but beginning with the for loop we'll plus it. So this is the question for today. I hope you guys understand it. I know the question is kind of tedious, but we need to be careful. Right, okay, see you next time. Bye. Thank you.